As you can see by the massive pile behind me and also the cleanliness of this side, I cleaned my room for the millionth time. And I also bought a massive stack of fabrics, which I actually did a fabric haul on. I didn't edit it and then I didn't post it, so I just have like me talking about 50 different fabrics in a video clip file on my computer. So I understand fall is here, like we are officially in the fall season. However, I live in California, so I don't really get a fall. I get like slightly less hot weather. So I'm not really that pressed about having a fall wardrobe since it doesn't really get that cold here. And also I bought a lot of fabrics that I really like. I was just really vibing with these fabrics and I decided to buy them anyway and just make stuff out of them. So I think the first thing that I want to do is actually one of those tennis skirts. I see them all over Pinterest, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, like literally everywhere. They're just like a thing. And I really want one. So I think I bought the right fabric for them and now I can make my own. This is the fabric I got. Got it in white, and then I also got it in black. And this really feels like the material that like your cheer uniform skirts were made out of, like back when you were a kid. I also, if I did my calculations properly, should have enough fabric to actually make 2 skirts out of each one. So if I mess up on the first one, I have another chance, which is not something that I usually afford myself when making projects. I don't usually buy enough fabric for a second chance, but I did this time. So I have 1.5 yards on each one, and that should be more than enough to be able to make 2 skirts each in each color. I think we should start with the white one first. I pleated 1/2 of the skirt, so this is basically the front, but I haven't pleated the back half yet. And I think what I'm going to do before pressing all of these in is sew this seam down, sew my hem, and then fold in all of my pleats and press them all down. That way I just have one long continuous stream of pleats going, and also because I need to hem this before I press in any pleats. It's technically upside down, but the pleats and the hemming are completely finished. And yes, my sewing machine is on the ground now, but I just have to press all of this and we're ready to sew. So the next thing I'm going to need for this is a waistband. So let's just do a quick little measure. All finished, and this is how it looks. It's definitely a little bit short, but at least I have enough to make another one that is longer, so there's that. Anyway, I have to go work on my strawberry shirt now. Bye.